Hello trader, this is a complete multi-time frame analysis on XAU USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As we in our previous weekly forex forecast as well as previous analysis expected XAU USD to start a new downtrend for this potential drop, and the market almost following currently in that pattern. Now as we can see, the price started to break below. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we can find in the lower time frame. Now before we look at, let's quickly look at a monthly chart again to see overall picture in this market. Now bigger picture, XAUUSD is bullish. We can see that from here, this is the bullish impulse on XAUUSD, massive bounce pullback, and we can see another bounce deeper pullback, followed by we can see that after previous monthly new impulsive candle for this potential uptrend this month. So we can see the market from this resistance currently coming for deeper pullback. As this is a long-term bull market, any pullback is expected for potential another bounce before the monthly close. If we drop down to the weekly chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that overextension from the weekly perspective. Also, we can see that this is a long-term historically bull market from the weekly. From this order block, we saw there was a strong liquidity grab starting of an uptrend, and we can see every week the market was forming a bullish market structure, followed by we have seen also breakout structure to refuel this trend, and we can see after inverted head and shoulder formation creating series of higher low, XAUUSD managed to bounce back up, and this is the weekly impulse currently which potentially overextended, and we can expect a deeper pullback. Now this current weekly candle, we can see that just after breaking this previous weekly high, the market has broken below, and with that break currently from the weekly perspective, the price started to drop, and we can expect for the market to potentially drop down further to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the daily chart on XAUUSD, we can see a little clearer picture in this market, and from the daily perspective we can see that this is the daily impulse correction, another impulse deeper correction, and we can see the market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is in a bullish market structure. Now what we can see that previous daily candle from this resistance line, after break of this high, there has been immediate rejection towards the downside from the daily. What we can see currently from this daily price action, the price retested this previous liquidity zone and getting rejection. As we can see that there has been a rejection, and there's a long wick at the bottom from the daily, which is potentially a pullback of this drop. Therefore we can expect another potential drop to fill that daily long wick, and I think the price might drop back to this liquidity zone. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect from this liquidity zone for the price to drop here to this liquidity where there is a daily 20 EMA. Now looking at the 1 hour chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that in this lower time frame the market is in a downtrend. There is a strong liquidity grab here, a big drop, pull back to the previous support which is turning resistance here, and the market is forming series of lower high in that area on XAU USD. Therefore in that area what we can expect for the market to drop potentially downside, any liquidity grab on the lower time frame can give us potential selling opportunity on XAU USD. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll be looking for going short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.